sun has set and the sky is getting darker. The moon arise behind the clouds, it's a peep. The stars are twinkle, shining bright like a diamond. Now go at your bed and sleep. You had your dinner, so your belly's really full now. Then you said that you feel for something sweet. You had some tea and some sweet Shirley biscuits. Now go at your bed and sleep. You're already bathed, so your skin's nice and fresh now. Your mouth is clean, so you are skin teeth. You've oiled up and your skin's smooth and silky. Now go at your bed and sleep. You watched one last show on the TV. You chose one last book for you to read. You have your favorite toy to cuddle up with. Now go at your bed and sleep. You've told us all about your day's adventures. You found that last missing puzzle piece. You have a drink of water for your bedside. Now go at your bed and sleep. You gave thanks for the day that you had. You prayed for everyone in your family. You asked for forgiveness, joy, and friendship. Now go at your bed and sleep. The sheets are dusted so you can climb in now. There's no duppy on your bed or underneath. The curtains are closed and you have your nightlight. Now go at your bed and sleep. Forehead kisses from your loved ones relax you. One big cuddle is all yours to keep. You're all safe and tucked in your sheets now. Now go at your bed and sleep. Your eyes are water, so you start to rub them. A big out your mouth, it a creep. You feel your eyes, them a get heavy. Now go at your bed and sleep. Your eyes lock as you recount your day now. You're so tired you don't even count sheep. Now you can rest comfortably alone. Now go at your bed and sleep. You imagine what tomorrow will be like, the challenges and how you'll succeed. It's way past your bedtime. You know you're tired. Now go at your bed and sleep. Your eyes are closed and you see your friends them running around and swinging on trees. The sooner you rest, the sooner you'll be with them. Now go at your bed and sleep. You're cuddled up now, your head's on the pillow, shoulders relaxed and your eyes them heavy. It feels so good to relax and let go. Now go at your bed and sleep. Your head is nodding, you can't keep your eyes open. You're walking down a winding path on the street. It's dark outside, your bed is calling, so go at your bed and sleep. It feels sweet to be in your sheets now. A smile shines on your face though it's weak. Your eyes feel so much better when they're closed, so go at your bed and sleep. There's no other place to be now. In your bed, you start to sink deep. There's no more excitement. There's no more excuses. Now go to your bed and sleep.